In this video, we're going to be talking about my portfolio, what's been going on, and I'm going to be showing you guys basically everything. It has been a minute. I've received a few comments from you guys as well mentioning, hey, it's Ronnie MP, it's been a minute. Obviously, as I was ill and blah blah blah, it took some time for me to recover, bounce back on my feet. So thank God that I'm here right now. But however, it's that time to see what exactly is going on. Have we been making gains? Yeah, just to see where we're at. So with all of that being said, YouTube, it's Ronnie MP. Whoop!
It's RonnieMP.com.
Want to join my free gift card giveaway? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification. Then let me know that you subscribe down below. That's it. Hey yo, what's good? You know who it is. It's your boy Ronnie MP. Thank you and welcome to a brand new video of It's Ronnie MP. The show will bring you guys a bunch of financial videos suggested by you guys and you guys only. So if you're brand new, welcome, and yeah, be sure to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. It really does help out the YouTube algorithm, and yeah, it's good luck as well. So so go ahead and destroy it. But for today's video, let me just give you guys a quick rundown on what's been going on. So as I mentioned, it's been a minute. Took some time off because I wasn't too well. So thank you ever so much for all the people. Singnam, massive shout out to you, man. Bloody heck, you are absolutely speechless. Okay, but I appreciate the love, support, all of that, and all of you other guys as well that mentioned me as well. There's too many names to name, so yeah, thank you ever so much. But so what's been going on anyways is, even though I was bedbound or on the bed, I can't move or whatever it is, I can still move my fingers. So best believe your boy Ronnie MP was still investing, and I was still checking out and seeing what's been going on, what's happening with crypto, what's going on with investing itself, what's going on with Tesla, what's going on with all of these other companies. And guess what? We were still putting some more money in our investment account as well, especially if it's an ISA. The best thing you can do with an ISA is to take advantage of that account. I literally mean it. Why? Because it's tax free and you can pull it out whenever you want. So why not? If not, why not? So if you're not doing that already, make sure you're taking advantage of that tax account or the ISA that you have. All right, but we're about to dive into it right now anyway. So as you guys can see, we are still in IZEA, okay, worldwide. Now I do have to admit something with IZEA. They haven't been performing well at all, and I'm so glad my position is very, very limited with them. In fact, to be completely honest with you guys and transparent with you guys, this was not intentional. I just decided to test it out and see before this is, and I recommend perhaps doing this. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, blah 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 blah, and all of that, like all the other YouTubers always say. But I recommend testing the waters before you go in and dive with a huge amount of money. So what basically happened with IZEA, I was about to invest, I don't know, maybe about £800, should I say, into IZEA. This was a few months ago, literally beginning of the year. But something told me, you know what, just test the waters and see what's going on. So I decided to just put the tiniest amount possible, literally, into IZEA, and yeah, I was like, let me just watch and observe and see what happens. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen, it performed so bad. The worst performing stock that I've got on my portfolio right now. And trust me, throughout the time that I haven't showed you guys, whilst I wasn't too well, I did sell out on a few other stocks as well. But guys, it hasn't been great at all. I mean, look at this. It's currently on 262. Okay, there was some hype around it. That's what. Don't just listen to hype as well. Okay, do some research and invest in what you want to invest in. Don't invest, like I've always told you guys, even before this, don't invest just because I say so or just another YouTuber tells you, oh yeah, hype, whatever it is, and invest. Make sure you do your own due diligence, your own DD in advance. But look at, guys, one share, okay, £1.88. Thank God, because look at that, 60% loss. 60% loss. And bear in mind, there's also another, stay tuned as well, and be sure to smash that like button, because there's also another share or company that I'm about to show you guys, and you're going to be so shocked. I mean, it's recovering a tiny bit, but hey, we've made some losses on that, but that was house money that we're playing with as well. So I'm going to reveal the company very, very shortly, but be sure to like and support and push that YouTube algorithm to share this video out. So anyways, you can see that return is £2.86, 60% loss. I'm not pleased with that at all. But if we move on to the next one, the next one is Zomedica. So Zomedica, basically, I'm sure you guys have seen this. There's a ton. There were a ton of videos around Zomedica, including now. There's still some videos around Zomedica. The Trueformer product that was supposed to launch. What that happened, basically, just to give you a quick rundown. So basically, Zomedica is a company where, you know, they had this revolutionary technology, acoustic wave technology to do with their product Trueformer, which was going to launch, and it was going to basically help pets get a quicker diagnostic. There we go. But however, we all, you know, we were looking forward to the new product launch, and you know, it was supposed to be all fun and just great, basically. All right, but what happened is they released it early. It scared a lot of investors. People sold out, just like buy the hype, and then they sold out, basically. All right. So the price just went shoom. Now, a lot of people who didn't do their research, they were shocked. But however, I still held on, and I was like, okay, I believe in this company long term. And when I get into a play, and I'm trying to put you guys on the plays that I'm on, but when I get into a play, I plan to hold long term. Okay, if it's a quick swing, I'll mention it to you guys. I'll just say, guys, this is a quick little swing. I plan on doing this. The OGs who've been watching this channel, they know exactly what I'm talking about. Whenever it's a quick swing, I'll just tell you guys it was just a little swing, you know, a little play, just to see with some play money that I don't really mind losing. However, Zomedica is like, no, I did in-depth research, and I saw, you know what, the adoption rate for cats and dogs increased whilst we were still going through what we went through worldwide. And yeah, and I saw the future's bright, you know, and pet owners, they really want to get a quick diagnostic for their pets, just in case it's a serious illness and they want it to get treated instantly. They don't want to wait for so long, you know. So now we're seeing Zomedica products Trueformer surfacing around the net. Some veterinarians have got their hands on it, which is great. The price itself for the Trueformer was about 12 grand. Yeah, I'm mentioning all this just to give you guys a background as to now what's happened with my Zomedica. So you guys will see this when Trading 212 decides to load eventually. And yeah, so you can see Zomedica is currently on 0.88, so not even $1 yet. It was, but then, you know, that's where the hype happened, or, you know, yeah, let's just call it what it is. You know, it was a frenzy, you know, because we were all looking forward and waiting for that. But you know what, it's consolidating quite decent, you know, because it's still hovering. It's like almost, it's trading sideways kind of, you know, compared to where it was. But anyways, so I've got 355 shares, as you guys can see right there, £225. But wait for the loss. The loss is quite yeah, it's mad. But the loss, guys, £469, 67%. Now you might look at this and say, you know what, oh, ouch, that I beg to differ. Why? Let me explain why. So basically, the money that I made, I was able to make a ton of money from Zomedica a while ago, a few months ago. So what I decided to do is to use some of that as house money. So meaning money that you've generated, basically profit, right? House money that initially wasn't yours. Say for example, you put in £100 and you make £1,000. £900 is house money. Why? Because it's not really your. It's your money, it's your profit, but it's not really your initial investment. Your initial investment is £100. So therefore, people can be a bit lenient towards the house money or profit. And I kept the. By the way, I'm not silly. I kept the major profit. So meaning I kept more than like 80%. More than 89, I would say, in fact, to be honest with you. And the rest, I decided to, you know what, it's house money. Let me reinvest it back into Zomedica, since I made, you know, a great return on it, and see what happens, basically. Well, guess what? Zomedica hit us with that surprise. As I said, they released the product early, and it tanked. As you guys can see, it went down, and now we're currently where we're at. And back then as well, it was quite a high average. When I bought back in, I was like, you know what, YOLO, let me just see what happens, because I believe that this, you know, the launch is going to be great. They're going to release it nice. And no, they didn't do that. They released it early and it flopped pretty much. The release flopped anyways. I'll make an in-depth video about this maybe perhaps later on. But they went ahead and did that. So this is the full rundown as I'm giving you guys right now. And yeah, we're currently at 67%. Since it's house money, I've been willing to just leave it there. I once saw 80%, I believe 80% down, but I still held, you know, I guess diamond hands, if you want to say so. And now we're currently at 67%. So I'm gonna hold for the long term. I mean, it doesn't make sense for me selling out right now. I don't need that money right now, so I'm just gonna keep on holding, and we're gonna diamond hand it for the meanwhile. But be sure to smash like on this video right now, because it will help out the YouTube algorithm, push it further on. And for the last one, if you can get a quick drum roll, this is the one we've all been waiting for. El Generante, Tesla General. As you guys know, still got the diamond hands with Tesla. We're currently you're about to see right now. So this is what's going on with Tesla, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hold on. That's the Tesla right there. Okay, we're currently hovering around 688, but if we scroll, guys, you see 14,000 pounds. Okay, 28 shares, 28.2 shares, 28.27 if you want to be precise, and we're currently down 1.3k. Now I'm happy to be down 1.3k, because at one point I was deep in the 20s, pushing 30% loss. Okay, and I wasn't a happy bunny. But obviously diamond hands, why? Because my conviction rate is very high for Tesla. Why? Because I do my research when it comes to Tesla. It's a company that I've decided to invest for the, you know, we're in it deep for the long haul. So meaning I'm constantly doing research every single day, just to see how much of a great company this is and where they plan on going in the future, and so forth and so forth. But I believe literally I'm going to be double, if not triple, my money with Tesla. So right now we are diamond handing all the way through. But however, as you can see, current average 750. We're a little bit high for my liking, but I made crazy, insane amount of profit with Tesla, so I'm more than happy. We're currently at 1.3k, as I said, 8.8%. And look, I have to admit, I am happy. Overall, I'm really happy, because guys, from where we started with a couple of £100 to 16,000 pounds, that is gains right there. Okay, and we've been adding as well onto the account, so adding my own money as well, so into the account. So it's been absolutely great. I mean, we are absolutely crushing it. We're doing so well, guys. From our end, I hope you guys are doing well with your portfolio as well. Link it, maybe comment it, or in the Discord as well. You guys can share it in there if you want, so I can see, take a look at how your portfolio is performing. But since I was away, the Discord hasn't been as active, so we're gonna see if we can get that back up to scratch as well, and obviously posting more of these videos on this channel for you guys. But that's exactly where we're currently at right now with this channel, or with this portfolio. We've made progress, guys. Okay, from 16k where we started. Look at that trend. You see that trend? So it's literally going upwards. But yeah, so I'm more than happy. I'm over the moon, in fact. And I just can't wait for where the future is going to take us with this account. But we're planning to grow this to 100 grand, okay, 100k, and we're doing really well so far. So yes, that is the portfolio down below. All of the links, guys, to everything that you need, whatever, if there's a discount or if there's a free share, whatever it is, Trading212 will give you a free share anyways. Link is in the description, so be sure to use that. But everything you see in the description box down below, be sure to use it, because it really does help out the channel as well. Get your free book in Amazon, it's right there in the link in the description as well. If you do want the free course as well, the free course, well, there used to be a free course, but the new course that we've made, link is in the description down below as well, to help you get started with the stock market and all of those great stuff. So everything's down in the description down below. Thank you ever so much, guys, for watching. Check out that awesome video right there, if you enjoyed watching this video, you definitely will love watching these two. And that subscribe button is right there. Peace out, guys.